Hello. Today I will show you how to access and use our courses on Google Classroom. First, you will receive via email a link to the course. By clicking on the link, you will be invited to log in with your Gmail account. Note that any address email that is added to our database will be deleted at the end of the training program. By logging in, you will arrive on the main page, which is the stream page. The stream page is the communication page. It's where you can send messages to your trainer, to your peers, or leave thoughts, or share anything you find it interesting for the course. The main course is in the classwork page. For example, here we are talking about the introduction course. We have an introduction video, and we have the syllabus with all the links to the other courses, the syllabus as a Google Slides, and in PDF. We can also view another course to show how the course works. Like here for washing machines, we can go to the classwork. So here we are on the main course with all the activities and the material. First, we have the material here where we can see a presentation with videos where we can learn all we have to learn about washing machines. Then we have our knowledge check, discussions, and the assignment. I hope this video is helpful and wish you good luck with our courses and training program.